No idea if you should try the ketogenic diet to lose weight or break through a weight loss plateau? I'm going to share with you what the ketogenic diet is, how it works, and alternatives to keto for weight loss. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, the bell to be notified every time I post a new video about nutrition, health, or weight loss. I use some of these strategies I will share with you in this video today to help my clients lose weight. I have helped countless women and men lose weight while eating carbohydrates. I'm excited to share some of these strategies with you in this video. Today, I'm diving deep into a topic that's been creating quite a buzz lately, the ketogenic diet. We'll explore what it is, its history, its potential health risk, and most importantly, whether it's the right choice for you. So if you've been wondering what is the ketogenic diet and is it for me, stick around because I've got all the answers you need. First things first, let's break down what the ketogenic diet is. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet where you drastically restrict your carbohydrate intake to less than 50 grams per day. That's about as much carbs as you'd find in a single serving of pasta. On this diet, fats make up a whopping 70 to 80% of your daily calorie intake. The issue here with the fat is it's impossible to consume that much fat without consuming excess saturated or trans fats. These are the fats that increase our risk for cancer, heart disease, stroke, heart attack, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and diabetes type 2, to just name a few of the health risks associated with excess intake of saturated and trans fat in a non-medical ketogenic diet. It's a diet that's been around since the 1920s, initially used as the medical ketogenic diet to help patients with epilepsy. It's essential to understand that there are two main types of ketogenic diets, the medical and non-medical ketogenic diets. In the medical ketogenic diet, patients are closely monitored by healthcare practitioners. They undergo regular lab work and receive nutrient and vitamin supplements to compensate for the nutrients missing from their restricted diet. Now let's talk about the potential risk associated with the ketogenic diet. When you severely limit carbohydrates, there's a high risk of nutrient deficiencies. This can lead to various health conditions, including heart disease, stroke, kidney stones, constipation, low blood pressure, and even eating disorders. It can also play a significant burden on your pancreas, liver, gallbladder, and thyroid. Furthermore, when you reintroduce carbohydrates into your diet after a prolonged ketogenic phase, your body's insulin response may not work as efficiently, and this is why you will gain weight suddenly when reintroducing back carbohydrates. Is this resonating with you? If so, hit that like button right now. Have you tried the ketogenic diet before? Was it hard for you to sustain with so little carb intake and high fat intake? How much weight did you gain after you began eating carbohydrates again? Comment down below. I would love to hear your experience. This can lead to uncontrolled blood sugar levels and even high blood pressure. Research also suggests that the ketogenic diet can negatively impact the composition of gut bacteria. Impaired gut health can lead to autoimmune disorders such as thyroid issues, diabetes, digestive issues such as bloating, heartburn, irritable bowel syndrome, constipation, sleep, sugar cravings, unexplained weight gain, depression, and anxiety. Our gut health is extremely important, not only our health, but our ability to metabolize or break down food. That affects how well a person can lose weight, is their body's ability to break down their foods into energy and not convert into fat. To highlight the real-life consequences, I've personally encountered cases where individuals had to deal with severe complications due to the ketogenic diet. For example, I have a client who had to undergo surgery to remove 24 inches of her colon after following this diet. Countless patients have ended up in the ICU due to complications like liver or pancreas failure. So considering all these potential risks, it's crucial to ask yourself if the ketogenic diet is suitable for you, especially if you have an underlying medical condition. The taxing effect it has on your body's organs and gut health makes it a risky choice for many. Now, If the ketogenic diet isn't right for you, don't worry. There are still plenty of options for achieving your weight loss goals, especially if you're over 40. One effective approach is understanding macronutrients. This allows you to incorporate carbohydrates like pasta, bread, oatmeal, and fruit into your diet while balancing them with proteins and fats. There's no need to restrict carbohydrates to lose weight. Carbohydrates actually have a biological function in the body. They help control blood sugar. Yes, that's right. Carbohydrates, when eaten correctly, paired with a protein and a fat, actually create a stable blood sugar. They help with breaking down cholesterol and triglycerides. Carbohydrates are actually one of the main 3 macronutrients the body needs for optimum functioning. If you're new to the concept of macros, I recommend starting by downloading a tracking app like MyFitnessPal. This will help you keep tabs on your food intake and understand how macronutrients can work for you on your weight loss journey. Be sure to stay tuned to my channel for more videos on mastering the art of macros as a beginner. I hope you now have a better understanding of the ketogenic diet, its potential risk, and alternatives for achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a diet that aligns with your health and lifestyle needs. If you're struggling to break through that weight plateau or lose weight and want to eat carbohydrates, I'd love to help. You can find my calendar down in the description to book a call with me. And be sure to check out the next video next on Understanding Macros, the Key to Sustainable Weight Loss. You can find the link in the description below.